Guys, we have goodied.
Nope.
Oh my god, guys. I'm done. Hi guys, it's Shakshi and welcome to my channel. So today's video is super exciting and I'm super pumped and energetic because I'm like so excited for this video. I had this idea like long ago, but I was always looking for someone to do this with, and then I don't know why, like I couldn't think of Shweta before this, and I was like, dude, I have to do this with her. So basically the challenge is very simple. So we both are doing style on a budget challenge, and the budget we have decided is ₹2000. We wanted to make it like extra interesting. So what we're going to be doing is like I'm gonna hunt, obviously collect all the items worth 2000, and I'm gonna ship it to her at her place, and she's gonna do the same. Okay, so वो भी अपने area में जाके she's gonna look for items or an outfit worth 2000, which is gonna include footwear as well, and she's gonna ship it to me. So basically, if you guys don't know who Shweta Bintade is, dude, what are you all doing? She is one of my most favorite content creators. Her style and her sense of fashion is like very similar to me, which is why I was like so excited to do this with her. She's basically more into like street fashion and edgy and stuff, and that's exactly like kind of my style. So I'm gonna be leaving her YouTube and Instagram link down below. You have to follow her. She's amazing, incredible, one of my genuinely favorites. And recently she had come to Bombay as well. I met her, we hung out, and we could have shot the challenge that time also, actually made it easier, you know, just done it like together, but we were like, no, we want to like chill, spend time with each other, and later we like go back to our places. She's not from Mumbai city, by the way, so go back to our place and we're gonna ship it to each other. I'm gonna include some of the footage that we took when she was in Bombay now. Hi guys, so I have Shweta here with me. Hi guys. We've been hanging out since last night. Yeah.
And it's been fun. I'm so glad I took this trip and met Shakshi.
She's so sweet. Oh my god. So right now we're in BKC. Look at what we're doing.
Oh my god, we're riding these bikes and they're so
It's so fun. We're riding these electric bikes which are called Yulu. Yeah. And I'm gonna insert some footage of us like just hanging around and everything. We had breakfast in the morning. We're doing this.
Yeah. I woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. There's something circling the water where I'm swimming. Smoking weed is telling me the demon isn't winning. But girl, I'ma tell you what's next. I could play the role filler if you really want that. I could be the one that you're gonna want back. Even if I read into it deep, I got the combat ready on lock for you. I'm watching all the clouds.
We're having fun. I don't want her to go back. I'll come
back soon.
Yeah.
And you guys can be expecting good content from us next time. So yeah.
So yeah, I have here with me my friend Khushbu Dholkera. We had shot one video where
I was doing your makeup because I makeup kiya tha.
Yeah, that's also a very interesting video. She did my makeup. I'm gonna link that down below. She is an amazing makeup artist, by the way. Oh, she's being like that down to us, like ऐसे कुछ नहीं है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है.
तारीफ नहीं जमती है.
So we are gonna go hill road, but I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna make her help me with any of the outfits. She is coming because she also like wanted to hang out with me and stuff and everything, but I'm not gonna cheat. Every item that I pick, it's gonna be like my personal choice and my personal taste. Now I'm like a little vegan math, I'll have to like keep calculating 2000 में fit हो रहा है, 2000 के बाहर जा रहा है. That's gonna be a challenge that I really hope I find the best of the things for the best. By the way, I'm extra prepared for the challenge. I've carried like a fanny pack over here. I'm like so prepared so that I have to like, I have access to my sanitizer and my cash and everything, and I have my mask, and I've carried a backpack. Okay, legit carry a backpack so that, you know, whatever I get, I can stuff it in this and not waste plastic. So I'm like all pumped up and ready for the challenge. Shweta, I'm gonna meet you. Sanitizer and
I woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. There's something circling the water where I'm swimming. Smoking weed is telling me the demon isn't winning. But
so I am going to the market, but I'm finding so much traffic. It's not fun. I purposely chose an off day. Off day matlab we were planning to shoot on the weekend. It's like I'll purposely like not do it on the weekend because I want the market also to be empty. Zyada crowd bhi nahi hoga. Then I'm finding so much traffic, and yeah, and outside the weather is pretty hot, so I'm assuming I'm not gonna have a good time, but it's okay. Nothing matters as far as I find like the best things for her. I'm nervous. I hope like she gets happy with whatever I pick and choose. We're starting from there. We're starting from there and we're gonna go all the way till the end. Till I find something nice. Bargaining skills are like so. Guys, we have goodied.
Are you serious? This is torture.
I think Shweta will kill me if I send her goodie. I really like these, but these are like out of budget. कितने में है ये
आपको इसमें ये 1200 रुपए का है मैम.
Guys, I spent 45 minutes in this lane. I couldn't buy anything. Like whatever I liked was going like too out of budget. This is a lot more difficult than I thought. I have to put together an entire outfit और अभी तक एक item भी नहीं हुआ है मेरा.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Guys, buying my first accessory from this भैया. Accessory ले लिया, outfit अभी तक लिया नहीं है, but accessories ले लिया है. So I found something damn cute. Collection though, pretty nice. भैया, कम करो. ये तो आपको ये क्या है ऐसे? इतना बड़ा शोल्डर किसका होता है? आप 100 में दे रहे हो मेरे को ये. He's not listening. Gone.
Huh? Please clap. Nope.
अरे ले लो.
I gave him mint also.
होता है मैं करके देता हूँ.
मैंने भैया को mint भी दिया. He is eating all. फिर भी भैया वो रैम नहीं है. चेन अच्छा है कहाँ से लिया? Tired.
बहुत ही गंदा है.
Oh my god, guys. I'm done. Look at me. I'm so oily and shiny and greasy, and I nicely matted my makeup and everything. Even Khushbu is like dead. I'm pretty sure she's never coming with me for any of this. But she didn't help me at all. तूने मेरे को help किया ना? I wanted to make sure I find the best, only the best for her, and I think I've done a pretty sick job.
Yes, she's done an amazing job. Seriously, I couldn't have done what she has done. It was good. I cannot street shop. I think next time you have to come with me when I am on a budget.
I think I have covered everything. I've covered an outfit. I've done more than an outfit, by the way, because 2000 budget I did footwear, I did accessories also. I have purposely not shown y'all कि मैंने क्या लिया है because I wanted to keep a suspense. Surprise. Yeah. I want you all to like head to her channel where she'll be disclosing what I sent her, and in this video I'm gonna be disclosing towards the end what she sent me once I received the package. But आज के लिए I'm dead. I'm so tired. I can't entire road. I bargained so hard कि मैंने इतना hard life में कभी bargain नहीं किया होगा. I swear. When it comes to me, I'm like हाँ ठीक है. But for this, the budget was so tight. I was like, nice, please. I think now I'll meet you all directly once I receive her package and once I try it out. Thank you, Khushbu, for coming. Peace, yeah. Hi guys, so right now I'm heading out to give the package. I'm not going to show you all the package because it looks disgusting. I've used some PR package that I received. Anyways, what matters is what's inside. Inside I have put some really cute items. I have one handwritten letter which I've decorated also really nicely. I have put some surprises here and there. So yeah, I think she's gonna love all the things that I put inside. And I'm not gonna show my face right now because I look disgusting. I've not had a shower because the first thing that I wanted to do today is to send the package across. I might go home and then shower now. Or I might not, whatever, it's my life. Okay guys, so today I have finally received the package which Shweta sent me. It's right here. I haven't opened it and she has strictly told me not to show the package on camera because it's not so aesthetically pleasing. And the same as with my package, like I mean the outside doesn't even matter, what matters is what's inside. Now without any further ado, let's get right into the package what Shweta sent me. Outside first we have a message. It says, I am glad I am doing this with you. I hope you like the outfit. Looking forward to seeing you in it. Much love, Shweta. Ooh, that's so cute. This is what she's written. I'm glad I'm doing this with you as well, by the way. Okay, I see H&M bag. What? Wait, what? Why do I have helicopters flying around my house today? What the hell? Where was I see a H&M bag. Don't tell me she's done a branded challenge because we literally discussed and she was like, bro, brands are not possible and everything, which is why I did the whole street shopping thing. But madam has sent me branded stuff. That's cheating. It's fine, I'll excuse her. Ooh. So the first item that I see inside this bag is okay. Ooh, this is a top. I think this is the front. It's a pretty fancy black top which has this fancy design. So cool. I really like this. You can never ever go wrong with blacks. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I think if this fits well, I'm gonna wear this quite often. So this was a great pick actually. Okay, below this I see some cool printed stuff. Let's see. Let's open and see what this is. Are these plazos? This is a third helicopter that's passing by my house. Oh my god. Can you all hear the voice though?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this item is... Okay, is this a skirt? Oh yeah, it is a skirt. It's a skirt with a cool fancy print. So cute. I have nothing like this in my wardrobe. So yeah, this is a cool pick again, and she managed to pick these up from brands. That is so cool. The skirt has like these slits which is gonna make me look all sexy. Not bad, Shweta. And the third item that I see here are, ooh, this is cute. These are a pair of get the fuck out of here. These are a set of black flip-flops. Cute. This has a cute bow designing thing going on. This is cute. I see myself using these a lot if I want to run like errands and stuff, so I'll be using these quite a lot. She managed to find accessories also to fit in the budget. These are looking pretty cute. What are these? Okay, these are earrings. I own nothing like this in my accessories collection, so these are also pretty cute. Honestly, if I would have gone shopping for myself, I wouldn't have picked these items on my own, like, which is why doing this challenge with someone else is more fun because you get to see what they pick for you and everything. Anyway, now I'm going to try these out and wear them, and you can tell me if you like the look. Okay guys, so I'm wearing her outfit. It's so cute. So this is a top that she gave me. It's a black crop top, kind of, not exactly crop, but it's a skin fit top which has like a tube thing going on and this X thing at the back, and this is a design. Absolutely love it. I see myself wearing this a lot and it fits great. I love the top. Now the bottom part, it's pretty sick. It's got these slits on the side. It's a skirt but it's got like these slits on the side which look damn cute, and the print is also cute. It's just that it's tight from here. I think I'm gonna have to visit my tailor and see if he can like figure out this area. But the skirt is giving me major Goa vibes. Like if I would go to Goa, I would definitely wear this. So let's see. And this is the sliders that she gave me. These are also damn cute. They fit very well. The size is perfect. I see myself wearing this with a lot of casual outfits. Really nice. These are the earrings that she gave me. They're damn cute. I don't have anything like this with me. So great collection. I mean, pretty sick, and it's a pretty unique piece. Overall, I think she's done an incredible job. She madam picked it up all from the brand section. Although she told me we're street shopping for each other, the only thing wrong with the thing is like this is a little tight. I really want this to like fit me, so I'm gonna try and get that fixed with my tailor. So overall, I think she's done an incredible job. And 2000 ka budget is not easy budget for like brands. So I think she's done an incredible job. If you guys want to see what I gave her, check the link below. Go to her video and see what I gave her. See both the videos and tell me who did better. I think she's done an amazing job, and I'm so glad I did this with her. Don't forget to subscribe to Shweta's channel because she makes some incredible content. Subscribe to me also, and I hope you guys like this video.